Hi viewers, today you see this sandwich makers unboxing. The features are drawn in the box is very fantastic, and this is the product of sandwich maker from Rice ASO company, model YT-9009, rated voltage 220 240, power rating 750. And then this unboxing is fantastic. Let's go with the first very fantastically prepared this. Where we find the back of this fantastic sandwich maker. This is a two-sliced sandwich maker, and with the very modern YT-9009 sandwich maker is India's knowledge. There is a handle block and yes, with the two types of sandwich maker, making two slice sandwich maker. So around the code is attached one fantastic code. The Indian pin side types codes is given to you. That's the sandwich maker, and this is covered with the nice completely steel colored one, and the power light and the green light were working. It's a fantastic one. Given to you by a Rice two-slice ISO company.